this is Captain Kermit the Frog here, and today...
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go, Wi-Fi anywhere you go, Wi-Fi anywhere you go. Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Skip it above, right in. Skip it above, skip it above, skip it above.
Let's see if there's anything good on. Phew.
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go, Wi-Fi anywhere you go, Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
Yes, Moi agrees. Animal, flying a plane is serious. You're too wild.
Animal, just animal?
Exactly, and that's what we're worried about.
Oh. Sorry, sir, but this is an airplane after all. Safety first. So, how about we get you back to your seat? I've got pretzels. Pretzels!
Nice to meet you both. We need a new pilot and fast.
Animal fly? Oh, no.
Hello?
2 to the 1 to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good
Paris, that's where I'm trying to go, but I think I need directions.
trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe.
This is Fuzzy Bear. I don't usually fly planes. I'm much better at telling jokes.
And I get more ass than a toy.
Yeah, like, did you ever hear the one about the baker who also flew planes? Everyone called him the Banana Cream Pilot. Huh?
See, 3 to the 1 to the 3. Met a bad bitch last night at the D. Let me tell you how I made her leave with me. Conversation and Hennessy. I've been to the mother.
Okay, how hard could this be, right? It's just flying. Ooh, what does this button do?
Hello there. Do you have any jokes for moi?
Nope.
That's one small step for Muppets.
Mountaintop. Heard motherfuckers talk, seen them drop. If I ain't got a weapon, I'ma pick up a rock. And when I bust your ass, I'm gonna continue to rock. Get your ass on the wall with your 2 left feet. It's real easy, just follow the beat. Don't let that fine girl pass you by.